So guys, here I've used a 10mm drill bit that's gone in through there to drill out the screw cap covers and just drill them out. And I've removed the 2 screws out of there, so panhead screws, one go into there and there was 2 into here over above each other. And now we'll be able to pretty much remove the screws out of the end as well, out of here, and it goes into the corner stake. The good thing to note also, guys, that I'm doing this while elevating the panel so the blades can remain in the open position. Makes it easier to realign a blade going back in, but it's fairly simple from this here. This has literally taken me all of around about a minute and 30 seconds at the moment. So I'll just get a little bit of a mallet here, and you can see, tap this away, and you can see the corner stake starting to open up. So all I'm doing is tapping this style away, and that'll create space between the louvers here to detach the old louver.